Problem 1. Solve 2 into dou square z by dou x square plus 5 into dou square z by dou x dou y plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square is equal to 0. Now, first write down the given equation. Given that 2 into dou square z by dou x square plus 5 into dou square z by dou x dou y plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square is equal to 0. Now the right hand side is 0. The complementary function gives the complete solution as explained in the above note. Complementary function gives the complete solution if the right hand side part 0 in the homogeneous linear higher order partial differential equations. There we have to find the complementary function. For this, first we have to write put capital D equal to d by dx and d dash is equal to dou by dou x, dou by dou y and so on. Now equation 1 becomes, say this is equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes becomes 2 into capital D square plus 5 into d into d dash of z plus 2 into d dash square of z. We are writing z commonly to the right of the differential operator equal to 0. Therefore, auxiliary equation is now auxiliary equation is which is obtained by substituting d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 into m square plus 5 into m into 1 plus 2 into 1 equal to 0. In the symbolic form, you just write d is equal to 1 and d dash is equal to 1. Therefore, auxiliary equation, we already explained the procedure to find the auxiliary equation. Here, we are substituting d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in the phi of d dash is equal to 0. We are substituting d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in the phi of d dash is equal to 1. Therefore, here this is the quadratic equation in m. So to find the roots, so we can apply the method of factorization. Method of factorization means so we have to split this 5m into two parts such that the product must be equal to 2m square into 2, that is 4m square, and either sum or difference must be equal to 5m. So we can split this 5m as a sum or difference such that the product of those terms should be equal to 4m square. Now for this we are multiplying 2m square into 2, 4, but we just take 4. Factors of 4, 2 into 2 are the factors, 5 4 into 1 is the factor. So in this, so we have to get product must be 4. In these two cases, product must be equal to 4, no doubt about it. But the summation of those terms must be equal to 5m. So this is the suitable one. 4 into 1. 4m plus 1m becomes a 5m, and product of 4m and 1m becomes a 4m square. Therefore, this can be written as, therefore it can be written as 2m square plus 4m plus 1m plus 2 equal to 0. See, 4m plus 1m is 5m, and product of 4m plus 4m into 1m is equal to 4m square. So in this case, we can easily factorize. Therefore, take out 2m as a common factor in the first two terms. Therefore, the remaining factor is m here, plus here 2 is a common factor, 2 is the remaining factor, m is also common factor, plus here 1 is a common factor, remaining factor is m, and here 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Therefore, 1 is a common factor, remaining factor is 2, is equal to 0. m plus 2 is a common factor, m plus 2 into, here the remaining factor is 2m, here the remaining factor is 1, is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 2 is equal to 0, or 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now m is equal to minus 2, or m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Therefore, as explained in the procedure, this belongs to case 1. Therefore, here the right hand side is 0. Therefore, complete solution is only the complementary function. Complete solution is z is equal to complete solution of equation 1 is z is equal to complementary function. Therefore, z is equal to, what is the complementary function? So, f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. Therefore, here m1 is equal to minus 2, m1 is equal to minus 2, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, f1 of y plus m1 minus 2x plus f2 of y minus 1 by 2, that means 0.5 also 1 by 2 of x, which is the complete solution of the given homogeneous linear partial differential equation of second order. Second one, solve d square minus 6d d dash plus 9 times d dash square into z is equal to 0. He has clearly given the problem in the symbolic form, where capital D is equal to partial derivative with respect to x, capital D dash is the partial derivative with respect to y. Write down the given equation. Given that d square minus 6d d dash plus 9 times d dash square into z is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 1. Now write down the auxiliary equation. Now auxiliary equation is m square minus 6 into m into 1 plus 9 into 1 equal to 0. Here we are substituting. What we are substituting is put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1 in phi of d comma d dash is equal to 0. We are getting this equation. Therefore, factorize. Therefore, this can be written as m square minus 2 into m into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 0. Therefore, this is of the form a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So therefore, this is of the form that becomes, what is the formula? This is equal to a minus b whole square. Therefore, now m square minus 2m into 3 plus 3 square is equal to 0 becomes m minus 3 whole square equal to 0. That means m minus 3 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 3 equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. M equal to 3 or m equal to 3. Therefore, here the roots are m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m is equal to 3. Roots are repeated here. Therefore, the complete solution of the equation 1 is z is equal to f1 of y plus mx plus x into f2 of y plus mx. In the case of repeated roots case 2, therefore z is equal to f1 of y plus 3x plus x into f2 of y plus 3x, which is the complete solution of the given equation. Now problem number 3. Solve d cube minus 4 into d square into d dash plus 4 into d dash square into z is equal to 0. Now here the given equation is a homogeneous linear partial differential equation of order 3 here. Therefore, write down the given equation. Given that d cube 4 into d square plus d dash 4 into d dash square into z equal to 0. Say this is equation number 1. Here the given equation is a d cube minus 4d square into d dash. Therefore, auxiliary equation is put d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in the phi of d dash. Therefore, this is a phi of d comma d dash into z is equal to 0. Therefore, auxiliary equation is obtained by substituting d is equal to m cube 4 into m square plus 4 into m into 1 equal to 0. Therefore, throughout m is a common factor. We are taking out m is a common factor. M square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, here m equal to 0 or m square 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, this can be written as m square minus 2 into m into 2 plus 2 square is equal to 0. As in the previous case, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. M equal to 0 or m minus 2 into m minus 2 into 0. That means m is equal to 0 or m equal to 2 or m equal to 2. Therefore, the roots are m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m equal to 2 and 3 equal to 0. Here two roots are equal and other root is different. Therefore, here two roots are equal, real and equal, and other one is different. Therefore, complete solution is equation 1 is z is equal to complementary function. Therefore, z is equal to complementary function is f1 y plus mx plus f2 x into y plus mx plus f3 of y plus m3x. Therefore, this is z is equal to f1 of y plus what is m1? 2 plus x into f2 of y plus what is m2x plus f3 of y plus 0x. Y plus 0x is 0, which is the complete integral of the given equation 1. Now problem number 4. Fourth one, solve d power 4 minus d dash power 4 into z is equal to 0. Now write down the given equation first. In the solution, given that d power 4 minus d dash power 4 into z is equal to 0. Say this is equation number 1. Now the auxiliary equation is m power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. M power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, it is obtained by substituting capital D is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 in the symbolic form phi of d comma d dash into z equal to 0. Therefore, now here this can be written as m square whole square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. Since a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, this is the formula we used here. Therefore, this can be written as m square minus 1 equal to 0 or m square plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m square is equal to 1. Therefore, m equal to plus or minus 1. Or m square is equal to minus 1. This can be written as I square. Since I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus I. Therefore, here the roots are m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to minus 1, m3 is equal to plus I, m4 is equal to minus I. Therefore, the two roots are real and different, and two roots are complex and different. In case 1, we already clearly explained either real roots or complex roots and are different. We can write the complementary function as a complementary function. So therefore, here the right hand side is 0. The complete solution is equal to complementary function. The complete solution of equation 1 is z is equal to CF. Therefore, that is z is equal to, we know that f1 y plus m1x plus f2 y plus m2x plus f3 y plus m4x plus f4 y plus here m3 m4x. Therefore, this is z is equal to f1 of y plus m1 is 1x plus f2 of y minus m2 is 1 minus 1 plus f3 of y plus m3, that is ix, plus f4 of y minus I x, since m4 is I minus I. So therefore, which is the complete solution of the given partial differential equation, homogeneous partial differential equation of higher order, which is a linear. Solve d power 4 2d cube into d dash 2 into d dash cube minus d dash power 4 into z is equal to 0. Therefore, write down the given equation. Given that d power 4 2d cube into d dash 2d d dash cube minus d dash power 4 into z equal to 0. Say this is equation number 1. Now find the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is obtained by putting d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. M power 4 minus 2 into m cube plus 2 into m minus 1 into z is equal to 0. Sorry, here by mistake I wrote z. Now by synthetic division find the roots here. Now by trial and error, first check whether it is satisfied by minus 1 or plus 1. After that minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 until the equation satisfied. You have to check like this. Here m is equal to minus 1 satisfies this equation. You can see plus 1 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 gets a cancel. Therefore 0. Therefore by synthetic division first you have to write the coefficients. Synthetic division, write down the coefficients of m power 4. That is 1 coefficient of m cube minus 2 coefficient of m square 0 coefficient of m is 2 coefficient of constant here minus 1. Therefore zero minus 1 plus 0 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 0 plus 3 3 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3 2 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Therefore minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Therefore we get 1 minus 3 3 minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1 is 1 root, and another root we can also check by trial and error, either minus 1 or plus 1. So here minus 1 does not satisfy. M is equal to plus 1 satisfies. You can check. Plus 1 satisfies. 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into 1 1, 3 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, we get 0. Therefore, m equal to 1 satisfies the equation. Therefore, put 0 here. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. So minus 1, minus 3 plus 1, that becomes a minus 2. In the ordinary division, we have to subtract, but in the synthetic division, we have to add. 1 into minus 2, that is a minus 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 1 into 1, that is a 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now, we already find out two roots. Minus 1 is one root, 1 is another root. So therefore, the resultant coefficients are the coefficient of m square, coefficient of m, and it is a constant because it is a second degree equation. Since we already calculated two roots, therefore fourth degree equation becomes a second degree equation. So this is the coefficient of m square, this is coefficient of m, this is constant equal to 1. Therefore, this is a square minus 2ab plus a b square model. So m square minus 2 into m into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus 1 comma plus 1 comma plus 1. Therefore, we already calculated previously two roots. Those are m is equal to minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Therefore, here the roots are real, three roots are equal, and other root is different. Here m1 equal to m2 equal to m3 equal to m is equal to 1 and m4 is equal to minus 1. Three roots are repeated and one root is different here. Three real roots are equal and one real root is different. Therefore, the complete solution equation 1 is z is equal to complementary function. Here complementary function is here f1 y plus mx plus x into f2 of y plus mx plus f3 of y plus x square into f3 of y plus mx plus f4 of y plus m4x. Therefore, we can substitute the values in the standard form. Z is equal to f1 of y plus m is equal to 1. 1x plus x into f2 of y plus x square into f3 of y plus x plus f4 of y minus 1 minus x. Therefore, this is the complete solution of the given equation. Here this is x.